children.
Hello, dear children. Today, in our park, we will meet an important topic that relates to computers and programming. We will talk about debugging, which is how to fix errors in programs. This is a very interesting subject that will help us better understand how our favorite games and applications work. Get ready for an adventure. At the playground, near the colorful slides, Rat and Parrot start talking about their computers. Rat says that his computer sometimes does not work because it has too many programs. Parrot agrees, but thinks it might be because the computer is too loud. They are both a bit confused, but think that maybe just turning off the computer for a while will fix everything. At this moment, I, Owl, decide to explain to them that it is not enough, because sometimes you need to find and fix specific errors in the program. Next, we meet by the pond, where Dog and Spider are discussing their adventures with computers. Dog shares how his game stopped working, and he decided to check what happened. Spider adds that sometimes you need to look at the code to find the error. Together, they come up with the idea of creating a new game where they will have to find hidden bugs. I, Owl, happily explained to them that this is exactly what debugging is: searching for and fixing errors so that everything works as it should. Finally, we gather by the tree, where Sparrow and Guinea Pig are ready for a little test. I, Owl, ask them, "What does it mean to debug?" Sparrow quickly replies that it means looking for errors in programs, and Guinea Pig adds that it involves running the program under the supervision of something called a debugger. They are both very confident and answer correctly. I am delighted that they understood the topic so well. In conclusion, dear children, I remind you that debugging is a very important skill in the world of computers. Thanks to it, we can fix errors in software and make our computers work better. Thank you for being with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next adventure.